welcome to What's Dean Doing in Thailand. Sawadee Cup, Sabai Mai. Okay, I'd like to talk about me coming to Thailand and the process that I had to go through. So first of all, I had to take the COVID tests in the UK 72 hours prior to coming to Thailand. But as from the 1st of April, that's no longer required. So you don't have to have a COVID test prior to getting on your flight, unless of course the airlines insist that you must have a COVID test, which some of them possibly might. Okay, then I had to apply for the Thailand Pass, and for that I obviously needed my passport. I need my vaccination certificate, and just a tip there on vaccination certificates. So I got the NHS ones from the UK, downloaded them. To speed things up on the Thailand Pass, so they actually ask you for the QR codes for each individual one, which are supposedly supposed to speed up the process. And they're a bit fussy on the way they accept the QR codes. It's got to be like dead straight and very clear. So just a tip there that not only do you get the vaccine certificates, but also separately you'll probably need the QR codes in addition to that as separate files to upload to them. And sometimes they might be rejected for silly reasons. Maybe they're not perfectly in line, or they're slightly out of focus. So that took a long time just to do the QR codes itself. So then you need the COVID health insurance. So I went on different sites and found a suitable one which give me enough cover, plus it actually give me some accidental insurance as well. So if I was on a bike and I came off and had an accident, that would also cover me for that. You need a confirmation of a hotel booking, which is a Shah Plus hotel. You also have to have pre-booked your RT-PCR test through the Thailand Pass website. There's a link on there, and that the actual test is done at the airport. I believe that previously that it was different. It possibly might have been done at the hotel, or the hotel sent you to the hospital and then to the hotel. But it's all done at the airport, and it's very efficient the way that they do it, and very fast. So no problems there. And then you need a flight booking, of course, which is easy. So the Thailand Pass should take up to 7 days. Just a tip on that, so there's 2 tips. Get your QR codes ready for your vaccinations, and also try not to use a Hotmail account, because apparently they've been having problems with Hotmail accounts, so I had to open up a Gmail account, which is easy to do, and it came through on there. Now it takes up to 7 days to receive the Thailand Pass if everything is okay. In my case it took 4 days, and my wife, who did it a bit later than me, it took her 3 days. But she's a Thai citizen and she didn't have to go through the health insurance and all that, so maybe that's the reason why. Okay, and that's it really.